Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Justin with Midnight Craving. Today I'm going to show you how to make Raising Cane famous sauce, that cane sauce, but with a twist. I'm going to call it Raising Cane 2.0. You're going to love it. So make sure to follow this recipe. Now already in this bowl I got 1 cup of mayo. Now I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Looks like somebody's running out of ketchup. Now here's the kicker. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapeno juice. Now I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper or ground black pepper, whatever you choose. Now you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Well, in this case I'm putting Tony Chachere Creole seasoning. Now I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of ground paprika. That's it. There you have it. Now you're just going to give it a good stir. So there you have it, guys. This is Raising Cane sauce 2.0. You're going to love this. This goes really well with your chicken fingers, french fries, or better yet, it goes really well with seafood, especially boiled crawfish. This is how we do it down in Louisiana. Alright guys, there you have it. This is the finished product. This is Raising Cane sauce 2.0. Remember I was telling you how good it is with boiled seafood, especially boiled crawfish? Well, here it is, boiled crawfish. This is what we call Cajun dipping sauce. Y'all need to give this a try. It's really good. Alright, let's dig in.
Is it spicy?
You know it, it's always.
Yeah, let me try. Yeah, it is spicy.
But you know what? You can always adjust it to your liking. You know, if it's too spicy, cut it back a little bit. That's it. But you know what? During crawfish season, you gotta eat as many crawfish as you can. Like I said, this is Cajun crack. Once you go crawfish, you never go back. Bon appetit.
Not bad.
Let's take out the crawfish meat. And just, see that? Dip it in sauce.
How much is the boiled crawfish today?
Right now, that was this place, it sells for $3.49 a pound. That's boiled crawfish.
How much is live?
Right now in Baton Rouge, boiled crawfish, $3.49. Some places could be around $3.89. Others could be around $3.39.
For the boil? That's not bad.
That's boiled crawfish there. Right now, live crawfish is around $1.50.
Live?
Yep, that's live crawfish.
Wow, that's not bad.
We're gonna do some this week.
We're gonna have another boil this weekend?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty. Looking forward to it. Wow, the dipping sauce really good.
You like that?
Yeah, it's really good.
That's Raising Cane 2.0 with an extra kick.
Extra kick. Haha.
Look at that.
Very creamy.
Right, for some of y'all, you want to know how to peel crawfish. It's easy. This is your crawfish. You just kind of give it a twist. There you have it. Stuck on the head. Oh, that was good. See that?
Spicy, huh?
That was good. Now you're gonna peel off the first segment. And then it's gonna expose the meat. You see that? You peel off the first segment and then expose the meat. With one hand, you're gonna grab it, and the other hand with your fingers, you're gonna pinch the tail. Squeeze it, hold it, tug it. It's gonna come out. See? Just like that. Cajun crack, baby. That's how we do in the South. Oh, that's good. I got about what, 8 pounds?
8 pounds? Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Well, you just can't wait for the weekend.
This is called teaser.
Yep. It's like, foreplay. Ooh. There you go, that's right there. That's it. This crawfish sauna hot bath.
Very good.
Yeah, guys, in a couple of weeks, we're gonna be doing. We're gonna team up with Boil Boss, and we'll be doing a giveaway. If you guys know anything about Boil Boss, that thing does wonder for your crawfish, boy. I'm telling you. I mean, I swear by it. It makes your crawfish taste even better.
Very juicy, right?
Oh yeah. I mean, it draws in all that flavor from your crawfish boil, and you can really taste the flavor. I mean, think about it. You spend so much money on your seasoning, and just let it all go to waste. That's the reason why you boil crawfish in the first place. And what the Boil Boss does, it draws in all that flavor. So in about 2 weeks, we're gonna be doing a drawing. We're gonna do a giveaway. A couple of you guys, so you're gonna experience firsthand the wonder of the Boil Boss. Man, you guys need to give this recipe a try. This is Raising Cane secret sauce, the cane sauce.
But
Did
actually,
you know that Raising Cane's was founded here in Baton Rouge? Yep.
but this one you actually can dip with chicken too, or just seafood?
Now this goes real well with chicken tenders, French fry, but down south in Louisiana, we like to dip it with boiled seafood, especially boiled crawfish. It tastes phenomenal. I'm telling you, give this dipping sauce a try. I mean, it's very simple. Pretty much all the ingredients you have in your pantry. Look at that.
This one you can adjust
See that? You just
the
simply
spiciness.
twist it, pull it, suck on the head. Now the first segment, you just kind of peel it off from the bottom, peel it, and then it's going to expose the meat. You see that? You see the exposed meat, and with this hand finger right there, you pinch the tail, and with this one, you tug it, pull it out. There you have it. Just like that. Yeah, this week we're going to be boiling about 4 sacks with a couple of families. It's going to be lots of fun. You know, in the South, that's what we do.
Huge one.
We gather around, have a big ass crawfish bowl, and have fun. That's how we do in the South. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all the latest videos. I appreciate it, you know. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.